Jeff Goldblum, 194 centimeters. Dwayne Johnson, 196 centimeters.
Dolph Lundgren, 196 centimeter.
Richard Kiel, 218 centimeters. Clint Eastwood, 193 centimeters. Liam Neeson, 193 centimeters. Donald Sutherland, 193 centimeters. Tom Selleck, 193 centimeters. Chris Hemsworth, 191 centimeters. Chevy Chase, 191 centimeters. Will Ferrell, 191 centimeters. Jason Momoa, 193 centimeters. Samuel L. Jackson, 189 centimeters. Idris Elba, 189 centimeters. Hugh Jackman, 190 centimeters.
Dave Bautista,
Gerard Butler, 188 centimeters. Forrest Whitaker, 188 centimeters. Chris Pratt, 188 centimeters. Ben Affleck, 188 centimeters. Arnold S., 188 centimeters. Bill Murray, 188 centimeters. Daniel Day-Lewis, 188 centimeters. Ted Danson, 188 centimeters. Will Smith, 188 centimeters. Ryan Reynolds, 188 centimeters. Morgan Freeman, 188 centimeters.
John Travolta,
John Cusack, 188 centimeters. Michael Caine, 188 centimeters. Jim Carrey, 188 centimeters. Jean Reno, 188 centimeters. Pierce Brosnan, 186 centimeters. Keanu Reeves, 186 centimeters. Tom Hiddleston, 187 centimeters. James Jones, 187 centimeters. Kevin Costner, 185 centimeters. Jeff Bridges, 185 centimeters. Bradley Cooper, 185 centimeters. Adrian Brody, 185 centimeters. Henry Cavill, 185 centimeters. Denzel Washington, 185 centimeters. Harrison Ford, 185 centimeters. Robert Pattinson, 1885 centimeters. Channing Tatum, 184 centimeters. Lawrence Fishburne, 184 centimeters. Dick Van Dyke, 184 centimeters. John Cena, 185 centimeters. Nicolas Cage, 183 centimeters. Mads Mikkelsen, 183 centimeters. L. DiCaprio, 183 centimeters. Christian Bale, 183 centimeters. Chris Evans, 183 centimeters. B. Cumberbatch, 183 centimeters. Christopher Walken, 183 centimeters. Edward Norton, 183 centimeters. Michael B. Jordan, 183 centimeters. Michael Fassbender, 183 centimeters. Ryan Gosling, 184 centimeters. Chris Pine, 184 centimeters. Jake Gyllenhaal, 182 centimeters. Bruce Willis, 182 centimeters. M. McConaughey, 182 centimeters. Tom Hanks, 183 centimeters. Brad Pitt, 179 centimeters. Ian McKellen, 180 centimeters. Vin Diesel, 182 centimeters. Russell Crowe, 182 centimeters. Robert Redford, 179 centimeters. Orlando Bloom, 180 centimeters. Jerry Seinfeld, 180 centimeters. George Clooney, 179 centimeters. Matt Damon, 178 centimeters. Jude Law, 178 centimeters. Johnny Depp, 178 centimeters. Jason Statham, 178 centimeters. Kevin Bacon, 178 centimeters. Daniel Craig, 178 centimeters.
Pedro Pascal.
Andrew Garfield, 179 centimeters. Jack Nicholson, 177 centimeters. Adam Sandler, 177 centimeters. Woody Harrelson, 177 centimeters. Paul Rudd, 178 centimeters. Robert Duvall, 175 centimeters. Sylvester Stallone, 176 centimeters. Robert De Niro, 176 centimeters. Mel Gibson, 177 centimeters. Anthony Hopkins, 175 centimeters. Sam Worthington, 175 centimeters. Patrick Stewart, 175 centimeters. Kurt Russell, 175 centimeters. Tom Hardy, 175 centimeters. Sean Penn, 175 centimeters. Michael Keaton, 175 centimeters. Steve Carell, 175 centimeters. Jeremy Renner, 174 centimeters. Chuck Norris, 174 centimeters. Jackie Chan, 174 centimeters.
Willem Dafoe. Antonio Banderas.
Oscar Isaac, 174 centimeters. Gary Oldman, 174 centimeters. Robert Downey Jr., 174 centimeters. Tom Holland, 173 centimeters. Mark Wahlberg, 173 centimeters. Joaquin Phoenix, 173 centimeters. Zac Efron, 173 centimeters. Tobey Maguire, 172 centimeters. Don Cheadle, 172 centimeters. Cillian Murphy, 172 centimeters. Ben Kingsley, 173 centimeters.
Al Pacino.
Tom Cruise, 170 centimeters. Christoph Waltz, 170 centimeters. Mark Ruffalo, 171 centimeters. Daniel Radcliffe, 165 centimeters. Danny Trejo, 167 centimeters. Dustin Hoffman, 167 centimeters. Ben Stiller, 167 centimeters. Peter Dinklage, 132 centimeters. Danny DeVito, 147 centimeters. Kevin Hart, 159 centimeters. Michael J. Fox, 163 centimeters. Thanks for watching.